Okay, this is William Hurt versus Secretary of State, docket number 21-295AL. And this is the time set for hearing on a first implied consent suspension request for hardship restricted license. And I'll take appearances first for the record.
Matthew Hios for the appellant, Mr. Hurt.
And Elizabeth Allen on behalf of the Secretary of State. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Hios, I usually just go right to testimony if you're ready to do that. Okay, Mr. Hurt, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Go ahead, Mr. Hios.
Mr. Hurt, you are a licensed driver in the state of Utah, correct?
Yes, sir.
And in your role as a pipe fitter for Local 140, you are given jobs around the country that you have to travel to in different cities and states, correct?
Yes, sir.
And public transportation would not allow you to perform that duty because you're reassigned to different areas around the country. Is that fair?
Yes, sir.
And clearly with your the traveling nature of your work, it's also a fact that you don't have any family members that accompany you or even have family that could help you in this regard. Is that also true?
Yes, sir.
And I don't think I think that's it, Your Honor. Thank you, unless you have further questions.
Okay, so Mr. Hurt, you're licensed in Utah, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're currently, according to the petition, you're in New York, or has that now changed?
No, I am in New York.
Okay, so what, you were in Michigan for a job and that's how you got the implied consent suspension? Is that what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what kind of a driving record do you have?
Pretty clean. I haven't had any tickets for a while. My driver's record is pretty clean.
Do you have any other drinking and driving offenses?
No, ma'am.
So did they charge you on this one?
Not yet, Judge.
Not yet.
Bingham County has
Okay.
not charges on the OWI.
Okay, because I was scratching my head thinking, how could he be in New York if they charged him unless it was consented to? So
Yeah, there's been no bond, Judge. So they've been waiting to issue, and we're ready when that happens.
got it. So are there any limitations on where you travel? I mean, they can just send you anywhere in the whole country?
Yes, ma'am. And also into Canada, to Ireland. I'm a union pipe fitter and welder.
All right. How long have you been doing that?
2006.
Okay. Ms. Allen, any questions from the Secretary of State?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Does the Secretary of State have a position?
Judge, when this came up, a lot of the documents have been delayed from the Secretary of State, so that they typically send to us as to the driver's license. When you asked that, I was looking for to see if we had a copy of his driving record, which we do not have. So I wanted to confirm that. But generally, on the hardship, as if they can present the case, we usually don't take much of a position. So I would do that today. I just do have a question since there's out of state driving records. So I was seeing if I could find anything. Because we do actually have the criminal case pending at our office. I'm looking through that and I don't see anything that would prohibit this implied consent. So I wouldn't oppose it today. Thank you.
Okay. Well, this is sort of an unusual one. I've never had one where the charge hasn't been issued yet, and I've never had one where, with the circumstances that Mr. Hurt has, as far as where he's going to be over the next, who knows how long period of time. So, but it's hard to deny that this is a hardship case. I'm sure he can't, find public transportation or someone to drive him in any of the 50 states. So, with no objection from Secretary of State, I'll sign a restricted license. Mr. Hios, I didn't see that you submitted one, so you'll have to submit one to me.
Oh, I submitted an order to Miss Allen and to your clerk this afternoon, because I know that you needed that, but I guess I hadn't.
Oh, that's what this is. Okay, someone walked in and put it on my bench and I didn't look at it yet because I got it. Okay, so, and Ms. Allen approved it, so I will, okay. I am signing your restricted license order. Okay, you are all set.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good week.
Thank you.